Well, welcome back to Chinaron. It's that time of the year where we need to repair some hoses. So I got one right here that I've already cut off. I had an old end here, so I just took a razor knife or utility knife, went ahead and cut that off. And we're going to go ahead and replace it with the end that I need. And you can pick these up at Lowe's or Amazon or wherever. So it's really not a whole lot to this. So basically all you need to do is you're going to need to loosen up the screws on the unit, if it's a coupling or the male or the female end of the coupling, whatever you're working on. Once you've done that, you should be able to pull that out of there. Now, in some cases, you can slide that over the hose like this, but you're going to need to loosen it up a little bit more to slide it up over the little barb here. So then all you need to do, you can do this one of two ways. You might find that you might have to take a hair dryer and heat this up a little bit. Or what I like to do is just take a socket, lay the socket down, put it over like that, and then just kind of push the hose over. And it will go pretty good. Just like that. So that works pretty good too. So then go ahead and, like I said before, you might have to loosen this up a little bit more. Like that. Go like that. And you don't want to go right up to the collar. You just want to kind of go to where the hose ends. Go ahead and tighten it down. Equally on both sides. And there you go. You got your hose. And don't forget to put the washer in. There's a little washer that's going to come with that. You need to slide that in there so it doesn't leak around the edges. So that's all there is to it, to replacing an end on a garden hose. So I hope this helps, and we'll see you on the next one.